Next, let's talk about your website pages. To view those, go to the top here, and you'll see the page you're currently on, which is the home page. Click on this, and you'll see all of your other pages as well. Your template comes with a few pages to start, but you'll probably want more as your site grows. So let me show you how. From here, click Add New Page. And now you have a fresh page to work with here. From here, you could drag in a container and then begin dragging in new elements. But you could also click on this icon right here. And this allows you to import pages from any template. And you can also import pre-made blocks. So for example, here, I could click on this. And let's say I'm looking for an FAQ section. I could click on FAQ right here. Click on the block that I like. Go to the top and click Import Block. And then it's imported into my page. And then you can customize this just like we did on your homepage. Once you're done customizing your page, let's take a look at your page settings. To access your page settings, go to the top left here and click on this icon. Right here, you'll see that your page currently has a default title. Let's highlight this. And in my case, I'll change this to FAQ. And then I'll change the status from draft to published. And we'll scroll down here. And we're going to toggle on Hide Title. Once you're done, go to the top right and click Publish to save your work. And you've just created a new page. Now, once your new page is ready, you'll want to add it to your menu so people can find it. We just created that FAQ page, but you can't actually see it right here in the menu. To edit this menu, start by going to the top left and clicking here. Then click Exit to WordPress. Then click on this WordPress icon here. Click on your domain name. Click Customize. Then on the left side here, go down and find Menus. Find your main menu right here and click into it. And here's where you can adjust your menu. You can drag any of these pages to reorder them. And to add in a new page, go down and click Add Items. And on the right, you'll see the new FAQ page I just created. I'll click on this to add it. And on the right side, you'll see my FAQ page now appears within the menu. To save this change, I'll go to the top and click Publish. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.